It's hurricane season. If you are under contract on a home that you are selling or a home that you are purchasing, this video is for you. I'm going over some things that you can expect during the calm after the storm. Hi, I'm Nia Joy, your Golden Real Estate Agent in the Charleston, South Carolina area. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is focusing on helping sellers and buyers that may be under contract in the midst of a hurricane on the rise. Charleston, South Carolina and local coastal areas similar to ours are definitely prone to hurricanes and tropical storms. I'm from here. This is kind of what we do. It happens. We definitely take all warnings seriously and we prepare accordingly. So if you follow the local, state, and federal guidelines, that will be the best way to ensure your safety during a local hurricane or tropical storm. For those that may be selling a home, you want to go ahead and follow up with your insurance policy. Whether it be before the storm, you want to call your local agent and maybe ask some questions, pull out your policy and maybe see what's covered, whether it be with wind damage, flooding, maybe even other parts of your policy that maybe you want to just revisit. Just in case after the storm, if there's anything you need to report, you'll know what's covered and what needs to happen. Buyers, this is a great time when shopping around for your quotes to go ahead and ask your insurance companies about what features and products and services they can provide while looking to get homeowners insurance. And of course you can bundle if that's a good fit for you, but you want to go ahead and make sure that that policy is going to protect you when it comes time for storms, wind damage, flooding, etc. Find out what type of area, what zone you're in. That's something you would go ahead and do just to know what type of insurance would be necessary for you. Sellers, after the storm, you want to go ahead and check out your property and see if there's any damage done to the exterior of the home, roof, or any other fixtures that are out there associated with your home. You want to make sure it's safe, and if there's anything that needs any repairs, you want to go ahead and start preparing to make those repairs and definitely stay in line with what you have agreed to in the contract. Buyers, you want to go ahead and take a look at the neighborhoods, maybe even inquire about previous storms that may or may not have been in that area. Also take a look at how people are preparing for the storms if you happen to be in the area prior to evacuation, just to ask questions. Also, after the storm, it's a good time to also look in the neighborhoods and see how the area has fared as far as the weather conditions. Every storm in every neighborhood may be different, but it's also good to check it out and see how things have been since the storm has passed. Sellers, if the home is vacant or maybe you are not in town, have someone stop by the property and make sure things around the property are secure. If there's anything outside that may fall over or the wind can cause it to blow and maybe damage any parts of the property, have someone bring it inside or secure it, move it away if necessary. Also, you can put up a camera either in some portion of your home, front or back, side, and also take a look at how the storm may be affecting it either in real time or post-storm, just to kind of see if anything has happened to the property or if anything requires attention. Buyers, you want to have your agent reach out to the listing agent to see if there's any damage done to the property or if anything is going to impact anything that you've already agreed upon per contract. Ultimately, as a buyer and seller, you definitely are concerned about how will this affect my closing date? Well, your vendors, such as your title company, your lender, your closing attorney, your inspectors, your appraisers, etc., they are all impacted by this storm. So if they can't do things that are related to your transaction, yes, it may affect your closing date. So you want to keep that in mind. After the storm, the vendors and the agents will communicate with the clients to let them know where they stand with the transaction. If an extension to the contract is necessary, both parties will agree and they will move forward and happily await closing day. I wish you all the best with your closing during hurricane season. And yes, these things do happen, but we're all here for a common goal, to go from your goals to sold. I'm Nia Joy, your Golden Real Estate Agent. Thank you so much for watching. Definitely like this video and share with those that may be affected by storms. And I'll see you on the next one.